excited. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is really unexpected. I have been on the list at Chanel for 6 months for this bag, and I went ahead and purchased a different bag for hitting my big sales goal that I wanted. And of course, like literally 2 days later, my Chanel rep was like, hey, your bag came in. Of course. So I thought that I would unbox it with you guys in person because it is one that is super popular, but it's one that I literally can't get out of my head and absolutely need to have. It's one of my favorite colors, and I thought I would just share it with you guys. So let's get started. So she's underneath my tree, and look at this holiday packaging, you guys. It is so stunning. Look at the glitter on the ribbon. I mean, you can't get more beautiful than this. I absolutely love it. Yep, totally left my phone on too, so we'll just silence that. Everyone wants to see what's in here. So, little story behind this bag. So I went on the list with Chanel 1 week before we left for Disney World, and that was the first week of June. So this is like the last week of May that I got put on the list finally, because they were like, we know we're gonna get another one in, but it's just a matter of when. And of course it would come right around the time that I hit my huge sales goal, and it was definitely meant to be. But I'm so incredibly excited to see this. I have not seen it. I have not unwrapped it. So we are legit going to unwrap this together. And I just don't even want to unwrap this pretty ribbon. It's so stunning, but let's get to it. Okay, here we go. So let's see if I can do this without, okay, undid the bow. So here we go. Okay. I am so excited, you guys. So here we are. And I'll let you guys have the first look. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna switch camera angles so that we can do top down. Okay, so here we go. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so see if I can get this off without ripping. Probably not. Okay, Houston, we have liftoff. Receipt comes in this cute little folder. And more packaging. Dust bag. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out and put this back in here. For now, we'll get this out of the way. Okay, so here we go. Lots of tape, lots of tape. Oh my gosh. Any guesses? Okay, by now you probably know. Oh my god, you guys, she's even more beautiful in person. Ah! It's the Chanel 19 small in caramel, or caramel, however you want to say it. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna switch back to the other angle and we will talk about this. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I know that everybody has been going wild over this bag since the beginning of the year. But it was finally my turn to get one. I'm so extremely excited to have her in my collection. And this was definitely like a bag that I wanted to get brand new. I know that we do strictly pre-loved with designer arm candy, but it was something like with this big of a milestone, I wanted to have something that was brand new from the store to really commemorate the hard work and everything that I put into it. And so here she is. I'm just so excited about her. So I'm gonna continue to unwrap the rest of this, the rest of the hardware here, and I'm gonna give you some mod shots and also some up close pictures of her. But let me know if you like the 19 style below, or if you're more of a classic flap girl. I love this color. I have the, I think it's downstairs. I have the tan, what color? I think that one is also caramel. The tan Kusin PM, and I think it's very similar in color to this. It's not the taupe, not the kind of chocolatey brown one. It's more of like the taupe color. But I love this color, and I love this size. It's not too big, where I feel like I'll actually use it quite a bit. So I'm gonna give you some mod shots here and unwrap this beauty quickly. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Obviously, thank you for all of your support over the last few years. YouTube is still something very new to me, and with my resale company, like this, hitting that sales goal was just such a huge milestone for myself, my family, and my company. And so I'm just really excited to share this win with you guys, and just thank you so much for all of your support. And I will be doing a what fits in this, and then also like in a couple months I'll do like some review on it, on like what I think about like the wear and all that too. So I hope you all have a great holiday. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more. See you later.